guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about Ipsy's new edit box. This one is featuring Smashbox and it is available now, but I have some thoughts and opinions on this as well as news about Smashbox and even potentially Too Faced closing. This is my opinion, my assumption, my theory. So we're going to talk about this. So get excited, get ready, get bummed. I don't know, you guys, this is like huge. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And don't forget to enter my giveaway. It's on my Ipsy video for July of 2023. I'll have it linked below. Go enter, it's huge. You're gonna love it. And it's international, it ends August 15th. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started because this is some juicy news, so let's get started. Okay, so we're not unfamiliar with the edit boxes that Ipsy has put in their shops in the past. This one happens to be Smashbox, and I got really excited when I saw this. But when I looked more into it, I found that there was some very interesting details, news all over the internet that I'm just like, wait a minute, what? Which is a little shocking. So first off, the Ipsy Edit Smashbox member price $49.99 for all of these products, and it says the value of it is $164. So you're only paying $50 for all of these products. So based off of this photo, we have I think this was Valentine's Day of 2020 for Ipsy. And I also think this was a mystery bag because I remember having this. But anyways, it says, what is it? Elevate your makeup bag with this collection of Smashbox favorites. What it does, we have a step-by-step contour palette plus brush in medium 04, illuminating primer 30 milliliters. We have a photo finish revitalized 8-in-1 primer essence mini. We have always on cream to matte lipstick shade in out loud. Oh, lipstick shade in out loud. Becca X Champagne Pop Highlighter. And Superfan Mascara 5 milliliter Deluxe Mini. So you don't get all full sizes. And I'm actually very shocked to see Becca X Champagne Pop Highlighter in here because you guys know that was the Becca X Jaclyn Hill collab, which did so well and really put Becca on the radar. I mean, Becca was a great brand back then, but Jaclyn Hill really just like set those numbers up, you know what I mean, with her different Becca collabs. And then Becca, of course, closed and Smashbox took over like some of Becca's favorites, like the highlighters and stuff. So it's interesting to me that there is news that Smashbox and Too Faced are not doing very well right now, and I think that's why we're seeing these products in Ipsy and in Edit, because I've said this before for the past couple years that a lot of brands like this, when we're seeing a lot of brands heavily put in subscription boxes, and I was saying this for BOXYCHARM because we didn't really have a lot of well-known good brands in Ipsy prior to BOXYCHARM being acquired by them, but I was seeing a lot of makeup on Mega Drop Shop and all of that on BOXYCHARM, and we were just getting a lot of Becca. We were getting a lot of just different brands that eventually closed and they did away with. So the fact that I'm seeing Smashbox here and then I'm hearing the news of layoffs and lowest performing cosmetics in Estee Lauder, which is the company that owns all of these other companies. It's like Estee Lauder and then like Smashbox, Too Faced, all these other brands underneath the umbrella. Smashbox and Too Faced did like the worst. And I was planning on actually making a video at the beginning of the year because I watched a Kelly Gooch video of brands that are just not exciting anymore, or something like that. It's been a while. Like brands that are just not exciting to me anymore and I feel like are the next to like close. Smashbox was on my list, you guys. Too Faced was not on my list, which is insane. So, yeah, Smashbox was on my list. So we're getting a really good deal right here, give or take. I wouldn't necessarily say, you know, I'm excited about deluxe products in here, but if you've always wanted to try Smashbox, I feel like this is a really good edit to, you know, dip your toes into. Plus, the Champagne Pop is a really good highlighter. I actually still have my Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop highlighter duo with like a blush from like, gosh, I bought it in 2016. I still have that. It's a memory kind of thing, but I feel like just getting that and like one more product kind of makes the price worth it, and everything else is extra. But that's not even the primer that's like, you know, talked about, heavily loved, and I feel like this is just a way to get rid of stock, because like in 2022, Smashbox pulled out of like the UK stores and stuff, and then in this year, actually July 5th, they announced layoffs on July 25th, and oh my gosh, August 15th, 2023, the day that my giveaway ends, is the day that the layoffs will be effective, and there's 59 employees across both the Estee Lauder owned brands, and they have been notified. So let me just read this. It says the Estee Lauder companies did not respond to a request for comment from Retail Dive, but the publication speculates that the redundancies could be connected to the brand's subpar performances. Too Faced delivered lower than expected results in Lauder's latest quarterly earnings, and ELC reported impairment charges of United States currency 86 million for Too Faced and 21 million for Smashbox in the 3 months to March 31st, which honestly that doesn't sound like horrible. But I guess like in the cosmetics industry, when it's like $1 billion industry, I guess that's pretty bad. But yeah, in the UK, September 29th was the last time that you could buy Smashbox in there. And Smashbox has been taken out of like Ulta, Nordstrom, Sephora. I don't even know if there's still products on those websites, but if they are, they're on sale. I'm gonna look real quick, because when Sephora is like Xing a brand, they put it all on like clearance and stuff. No, Smashbox is still on Sephora. So the products in here that are on whatchamacallit, Sephora, the step-by-step contour kit with the brush, that retails for $40, and the Photo Finish Control Mattifying Face Primer, $42, and then the sample size is 16. Insane. And then we have the lipstick that's in there, retails for $27. Interesting. The primer essence is $34 with a $19 deluxe sample size, and the only Becca product is the under eye brightening corrector. That's the only thing I'm seeing on here. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you that you can get this edit box on Ipsy right now. If you want to sign up to Ipsy, I'll have my little referral link down below. I do make a commission. It's like a new thing that they started doing, that you can like refer people with your link if you sign up to Ipsy/BOXYCHARM, which is cool, but you know, whatever, do it or don't, it doesn't matter to me. But if you're interested in this edit, because Smashbox is a great company, then definitely check it out if you want. But I'm just shocked that the news that I was reading when I was looking this up. Just let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Does it shock you? Is Smashbox one of those brands that you feel like also just is probably gonna close their doors soon? It's just, they're just not interesting anymore. Too Faced, on the other hand, I'm bummed. Of course, I get that they like always come out with the same thing every year, but I've always really enjoyed Too Faced and like reviewing their brand every year and doing their holiday stuff. So hopefully they're safe. Hopefully they're safe. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!